concept of kinematics. Kinematics means K. When an object is always moving in the conditions and taken by the unit of time, represent K equal to half m square. M means mass of the object, v means velocity, K means kinetic energy. So first of all we discuss one dimension motion. Here dimension means measurement. Here two types, 2D, 3D. Two dimensional means like a rectangle. Length. Three dimension means like cuboid and trapezium. These are three-dimensional figures. Means length, breadth, height. So here I will explain